everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Diana. So in this video, I'm going to be showing how to make a piñata. I decided to make my own piñata for my daughter's birthday party because it was kind of a unique theme. I did a donut birthday party for her first birthday, and I couldn't find a piñata that I really liked anywhere. So I decided to go ahead and make it myself. Some of the items that you'll need is a large cardboard box, string or twine, a pencil, a box cutter and scissors, masking tape and packaging tape. You'll need tissue paper and some tacky glue. So here I'm just going ahead and scoring the rectangles that I had pre-cut out for the walls. I'm scoring them with the box cutter, and I'm doing that just so that it kind of helps to bend and shape the cardboard a little bit when I'm putting them all together. I did have my patterns pre-cut out before I began the video. I had 2 circles for the front and the back of the piñata, and then I had 3 rectangular strips for the walls of the piñata, which you'll see how I put that together in a minute. Okay, so here I'm just making the holes that I'm going to use to string my twine through. I'm also going to cut another piece of the cardboard that I need to just kind of reinforce it. I am making the holes through that as well, and I do that by just kind of marking it with my pencil through the holes that I already made and then cutting it out with the scissors.
Ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love.
Okay, so funny story. I went to Walmart and I forgot to pick up twine, of course. So what I'm using is called 550 cord. It's what the military uses a lot of the times, and it's not the easiest thing to work with, but it is going to do the job and it will hold. So, but I recommend once you cut pieces of that or any type of paracord, you want to like burn the edges off because to kind of seal it from fraying, because that will happen.
Every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on it.
So I just went ahead and made the hole for where I'm gonna put candy through, I just took my box cutter and just made a large enough hole to put candy through it.
Ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world.
Now that it's all sealed up with tape and I have my front and my back and all the walls put on the piñata, I am putting masking tape just to kind of add an extra layer of reinforcement to it so that it's not as easy to break through the cardboard.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail.
So here I'm just kind of showing how I did my strips for making it all pretty with the colors that I chose for the tissue paper, and how I cut everything to kind of make it look like a frayed look.
You know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
So here I started putting on the glue and started adding my strips that I cut to make look like a frayed look. So my mistake was starting in the middle. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up. With this type of pattern, it's just a lot easier. Of course, this is my first time making a piñata like this, so I just kind of was trial and error for me.
Wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody.
And this is the donut pattern that I'm using to make it look like a donut. I would suggest not to use tissue paper. I think that was my mistake. I thought that after everything dried it'll be fine, but you could still see, even though the glue did dry clear, you could still see the clearness through that tissue paper. So I would suggest using like a poster board paper or construction paper just to make your pattern for that donut look.
Give me somebody to love.
And here I'm just finishing up the sides as well with the tissue paper. I did a lighter color of the pink for this one, just because I thought it would look better. And I also did add some like sprinkle like things where I just cut out a few pieces of construction paper in the colors that I wanted, just to make it look like a sprinkled donut, which I will show a little clip of what the end came out like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.